take a couple whacks at it and see what all we can pull out, if anything at all. I'm gonna take a couple whacks at it from the stock. First cast going in, kind of right at the middle. There's a lot of algae in here. Yeah, that's bad. Wow. There's definitely like a lot of weeds in here. Let's try to go to the other side. Holy, is it shallow. Oh, we got some ducks here. A couple mallards. Oh yeah, this part's deep. Jeez. There we go. I'm just gonna keep it there. Pop it. There's someone that just pulled up, so I don't know if what they're doing. We're heading out. Okay, so we pulled up on the second pond. That's it right here. Take a look at that. So that's it. We'll give this one a whack at it, and might be near that tree, might be some decent structures. Alright. With the spinner bait. Whack out there. That's what it looks like. Must be a fishable spot. Okay, so I just now found this out. There's a whole other pond right over there. I don't know if you can see it. There's a whole other pond over there. Wow. So I'm back to using this. And I'm just gonna go back to where I started and just cast it in the middle. Boom! Dang. That was far. So of course I forgot to record. I literally just caught a fish in this little pond. So literally, of course I didn't record, but we're at a new spot where there's multiple little ponds. And literally first cast, and it was in this little one, I literally just caught one. It just makes me so mad that I didn't record that. That was good, that was good. But we're gonna go here now. See what I can do here. All right. All right, so I caught one again. All right, this one's decent. We're gonna let her go. This one's decent, not too bad. So she goes. We're calling it a day. Caught 2 fish in that pond. It being cold to catch those fish. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next video.